Okay, so I figured before I pulled this barrel off, I would check to see with a go gauge and a no-go gauge how things are going. So here's a go gauge. And
Won't close on the no-go gauge.
yeah, it does close, but boy is that tight. Way too tight. So anyway, I figured I'd video this. I have to talk to the customer and see how his reloads worked out for him, but that's a very, very tight headspace. I'll show you the no-go, of course. You can't even get close to that, which you shouldn't be able to. But yeah, that headspace is way too tight.
Cost of the wrench is about $50.
Yep, that's not close to that.
Barrel
So.
lights I was able to make myself for a total cost of $5.
Yep.
So if you can live with a couple of
I'm gonna have to pull it loose and take it out. But anyway, there it is. What we got.